Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss mid function. This is also string functions and how we can use the string functions. Well, in this mid functions generally what we do, we write one strings and you wanted to pull out some characters out of that string. So whenever you wanted to access particular characters from one string, you can use this mid function. What is the mid function? Then what is the syntax of this mid function? We are also going to take one example and see in our Excel file. So without wasting any time, let's dive into it. This is the definition of the mid function. The mid function returns a specified number of characters from a given input string. So this is the syntax. First we'll be writing mid, then open bracket, then we'll be writing our string from which we are going to pull out some characters or from which we are going to get some characters. And we are also going to mention the start. It is not mandatory term, but we are going to mention in some of the cases that from which position we wanted to pull out the string or number of characters from that string. And also we are going to specify the length, like how many number of characters from the start positions you wanted to get or you wanted to pull out. So string, a required parameter, input string from which the specified number of characters to be returned. Start, a required parameter, an integer which specifies the starting position of the string. Length, it is an optional parameter, an integer which specifies the number of characters to be returned. Let's see this example. First of all, here I have written a small program and we are going to see what will be the output of this program. So first of all, I am going to write this program under one button so that whenever I'll be clicking on that button, it is going to execute this program. Here I have mentioned var as a variable and its type is variant. I have also assigned some value to var, which is Microsoft VB script. Now I am going to test various condition and I am going to get various results for each condition. And I am going to display its result in the message box. So message box 1 will be showing line 1, then the output of this mid function. So what will be the output of this mid function? First, it is going to take this var variable. So this is the var variable. Now what it is going to do? Well, it is going to write var variable from the second position. So what will be the output of line first? Well, the output of the line first will be ICROSOFT space VB script. So whatever I have selected on the screen, that will be the output of the line 1. What about line second? Well, line second again, it is going to take this var as a variable. So this is the variable. Then it is going to start its position from the second. So from second onwards it will start, and it is also mentioned like how many characters it is going to pull out from this string. So let's see, it is 5 characters. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the second line result would be ICROS. What about line third result? Well, it is going to start its pulling out character from the 5th position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here onwards it will start pulling out the characters. And it is going to pulling out the characters up to, and what is the length of this? Length of the line 3 is 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this will be the output of this line third. Let's see. Okay, same is the output. Here we are going to write the same program in our Excel file and we are going to see what will be the output of that program. So how do we write the program? First of all, we will be going to the developer, then Visual Basic, then we are going to insert user form, then we are going to drag and drop this command button. Then under that command button, we are going to write our program. Here I have defined variable var and the type of the variable is variant, and I have also assigned some value to it, which is Microsoft VB script. And now I am going to see each line execution result. These are the 3 lines I have written here. Now how do we run the program? Well, we directly go to this run button, then we click on it, or else we press the F5 button. Let's click the command button 1. Okay, the result is line 1 is MICROSOFT VB script. Okay, so line 1 was giving the result from the second position because we have not mentioned any length, so it is pulling out entire string and it is starting its pulling out the characters from the second position. What about line second result? Well, line second result is ICROS. In our programming, we have written that it is going to start its pulling out the characters from the main string from the second position, and it is going to pull out 5 characters from the main string. So it is going to pull out the 5 characters and it will be starting its pulling out from the second position. What would be the line third result? Well, line third result would be OSOFT V, because we have started our pulling out the characters from the 5th positions, and we have also mentioned that we are going to pull out these 6 characters from the main string. That's it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching this video.